Okay, today we're looking at the uses of energy resources and non-renewable resources. So, in our daily lives, we need energy resources for many things. Firstly, heating. We can use coal, oil or gas to directly heat our homes. Transport. Using oil as fuel for our cars. Eye-wateringly expensive prices. And electricity. Right now, I'm using electricity to power my phone, the lights, my computer with my notes on it, and countless other things in this room. We really rely on it, and we need it to be generated. In the next two videos, we are going to look at the different energy resources that we have available to us to generate electricity. Now, electricity is generated in a generator, original. And you will often find generators in power plants. More on how generators work in electromagnetic induction. In this video, we're going to focus on our non-renewable energy resources. Non-renewable energy resources are resources that are not being made at the rate at which they are being used, which means eventually one day they will run out. Let's start with fossil fuels. My fossil fuels are my coal, oil and natural gas, and they all generate electricity in the same way. My fuel is burnt, it heats water, which turns to steam. Steam turns a turbine, the turbine turns a generator, and you get electricity out. And there are certain advantages to using fossil fuels. They are readily available and reliable. They can respond to surges of demands, but they do cause some harmful effects. They release CO2. CO2 is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming, and coal and oil also release sulfur dioxide. This can cause acid rain, which does damage to trees, soil and ecosystems. Okay, and our final non-renewable resource, nuclear power. In nuclear power, rather than fuel being burnt, nuclear fission of fuels such as uranium or plutonium releases lots of energy. And then it all works the same. That energy is used to heat water, make steam, turn a turbine, turn a generator, get electricity. So some of the advantages of nuclear power are it is clean. It doesn't emit any greenhouse gases. It is also reliable. There is enough fuel to meet the current demand. However, its disadvantages are nuclear waste that is produced is difficult and dangerous to dispose of. The waste is radioactive and can cause damage to the people and environment. Even though the fuel is cheap, the overall cost is relatively high because of the commissioning and decommissioning costs of nuclear power plants. Also, nuclear power plants run the risk of a nuclear disaster like Chernobyl or Fukushima. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. Download the notes for those advantages and disadvantages of non-renewable energy resources. And click on the next video to learn about renewable energy resources and trends in energy use.